The first step in setting up your affiliate program is, when you're in the control panel, is to come down to configuration and start going through these configuration setups. If you're a United States business, then this section right here, USD, there's nothing you'd want to change there. So you can hit save and come back to configuration. Languages, if you're only using English, then this is where you set that. There's ways of importing languages with some translations, but right now we'll just leave it at English. Come back to configuration. Event logging, generally, unless you're having problems, you would just leave this alone. This is for debugging, and most likely it would be when, if you were having problems, they would ask you to do that from quality unit to do some debugging to get them the information, or they might do it. Proxy server, odds are very small that you need to do that. If you do need to do it, you most likely will know what that means. If you don't know what that means, you should be able to ignore it. Email notifications, this is where, do you want to be notified when there's a sale and on a new affiliate sign up? I want to be notified on both, so I check both. And then for affiliates, do we send them an email after they apply before they're approved? If you're going to manually approve them, then you most likely do want to do that so they know that their place got submitted, their application. And then you can set this up, and they can set up from there whether they want to not receive these things. So these are just the defaults. So I'm going to say yes to all of them and let them change it if they want. Come back to configuration. There's email templates, and this is something I'll go through a whole tutorial on just how to change the email templates. Mail accounts, this has to do with email settings. Like in this particular case, you might use AFMAN. That's what I'm going to do here, to make emails come from Chuck Lasker, affiliate manager. Something like that, however you want to do it. Make sure it's a existing email address. And generally you say send by mail function. And we can do save and send test message and see if it works. But right now I'm just going to say save for the sake of time. Come back to configuration. Things are kind of broken a little bit here because I'm on this tiny screen. But tracking settings, this is where you want to put your main site URL and what your options are. Like, I like to track by IP address. I don't like to save unreferred sales lead because you get a report for every single sale made, whether it was affiliate or not. It's up to you. And then the affiliate linking method. With SEO links, I'll do a tutorial just on that. Come back to configuration. Cookies, it's up to you how long you want to put your domain in there, but I like overwrite cookies so that the latest affiliate gets credit, but I don't like to delete the cookies afterwards, so I'll say save. Configuration, fraud protection. If you're having troubles, you might come in here, but otherwise you generally don't need to come in here. URL parameter names, you see it's A_AID. You can change those to, like, affiliate ID could be AFF, however you want to do that. Banners and links formats, I'll do a whole tutorial on that. Payouts balance, this is what to offer your affiliates. I like to give them the option of getting paid out at smaller amounts. So this is the kind of thing that I set up. And I set up the default at 25 and say save. Configuration, payout options. This is where you can set up whether you can say pay by PayPal check, money bookers, or bank. So you can add payout options here or delete them with the little X. Come over here, invoice format having to do with payout invoices, and I'll get into more of that later. And finally, VAT handling has to do with taxes if you're in a country other than the United States. And finally, you have these design configurations for your affiliate panel. I'll do full tutorials on those. And plugins and features, again, more for future tutorials. But going through those steps are the basics for setting up your affiliate program's base system.